Hey guys, this is a Mower lawnmower Briggs and Stratton engine, 21-inch 450E series. Okay, so this one is hard to start. The pull cord is stuck. You don't want to pull it when it's like this. You don't want to yank it, because you can cut this and then you have to open this and put a new one. This is what happens when you don't change the oil or you don't add oil. It's seized up, so the crankshaft probably is bent. This is the oil port right here, the oil fill plug here. And as you can see, I'm gonna put the screwdriver in all the way in. This is a long screwdriver, and look at the oil. It's like thick, like mud. Smells burnt, and it's like sludge, like a creamish brownish dark muddy color. It's like white also, if you can see there. So that's not oil anymore. So this is what happens. So what you can try to do is tilt it over, and when you tilt this your lawnmower, you don't tilt it towards the spark plug side or the air filter side. Okay, so this is the blade. As you can see, it's very hard to turn, so you want to try to move this. You want to wear gloves. You want to disconnect your spark plug wire before you do this also. I'm not responsible for anything. So they were using this mower a couple of days and it just shut off. The engine is seized, is stuck, so you can try to move this back and forth. Put a socket with a big breaker bar and try to turn it. Spray some WD-40 or PB Blaster inside by the head here. Remove this, spray it in the spark plug, try to loosen it up, unseize it to see if that works. If not, this is just junk. You can try to rebuild it, but it don't make sense to rebuild this. Or you might be lucky and get it back to work, and you can add oil to it. So there you have it. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.